Hello everyone, I'm here again today with another iPad basics tutorial. What we're talking about today is swiping, and we're going to show you how to swipe your finger on the screen up and down, left to right, and everything that has to do with it. Alright, so once we actually log into our iPads, the first thing you'll see is our homepage. That's the first thing you're welcome with. And here you do a lot of swiping as well, because once you fill up your main homepage, you're gonna have to put all these icons somewhere else. So you can actually create more pages just by dragging apps to another zone. It'll create another page, or it'll just bring you to the next page. And we can create more pages just by doing the same thing. Oh, let's see if we can do this. There we go. A whole page just for that app. Now, the main thing is stuff like your photos. If you open your photos, you're going to want to swipe from left to right to see all your pictures and all your stuff. Now, when it comes to the internet, for example, if you go to Safari and you search for anything, you're going to get search results. For example, on Google, you can search for iPad tutorials or just tutorial, and once you get your results, you're gonna have to swipe up and down just to see what answers you got. Now to go back home, you just press that. So a lot of swiping is going to be done in our program, and this is just how you do it. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe so you can get more and more of our tutorials on basic iPad uses.